Hello guys! In this quick video, I'll show you how to find your referral code on the Temo app. Just follow these simple steps, so let's get started. First, open the Temo app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom center of the screen. Inside your profile, look for and tap on the Win Rewards option. Under Win Rewards, select the referral code option. It should be the third item on the list. Your unique referral code will now be displayed. You can copy your code and share it with friends through text, social media, or email to earn rewards when they sign up using your code. And that's it, super simple. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.